What's up everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Today we've got some 335i content for you guys. We're going to be installing our Alpha 1 series speaker system by Bimmertech that was provided to us from Kies Motorsports. And this is something that we've been looking forward to. Ricky and I are both audiophiles at heart and both used to work in the car audio scene back in the day. Bimmertech knocked it out of the park with this Alpha 1 system. We showed you guys in the previous video how nice the speakers are. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open again and show you guys again. This is their amplifier that comes with the Alpha 1 premium audio system. It's a totally tunable amplifier that plugs into your factory wiring. You just replace the factory amplifier with this one. And we've got the Alpha 1 speakers, which are epically packaged. If you guys saw, I don't know if you saw the previous video, but this boxing is amazing. It has a magnetic flap on it, super nice styrofoam inserts, and man, look at the attention to detail and quality on these replacement speakers. Really nice. Really looking forward to hearing how they sound. And so yeah, the reason I'm back here at the trunk is because I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the amplifier installation. I've already done a little bit of work. I've checked out Kies Motorsports YouTube channel. They have an installation video for this system itself and the amplifier separately. So if you guys do decide to buy this system, check out Kies Motorsports and also go subscribe to their YouTube channel and check out the video that they did on the installation, because today's video here at Throtl is not going to be an install how-to because Kies has already done that for us. So we're going to go ahead and pop this thing in. Ricky and I are going to try to make as quick a work as this is possible. We'll actually give you a final time, elapsed time it takes for us to put this in when we're done, and let you guys know what you can expect for your first time doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this trunk torn apart. I know the amplifier is under this corner because I cheated and watched the Kies video already. So I'm going to go ahead and get this trunk interior out and get cracking.
In the back installing the amplifier, I'm going to be tackling the doors. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be taking this panel off, replacing the speaker and the tweeter with our Alpha 1 system. It's looking so good. Alright, so here we go guys. We have one Alpha 1 speaker installed, and then we have the tweeter in, if you can see it. So one done, 3 more doors to go, and then I have to do the center speaker as well. So stay tuned. So right now I have this seat taken apart and I'm installing the new subwoofer right now, and Mickey's getting started on the passenger seat. So he's gonna start taking apart the other side. And we are, what, Mickey, about 10-15 minutes done and then we'll be done?
Yeah, we've been at this for just about 2 hours. So.
Yeah, it's not hard, it's just time consuming. I decided to clean the under part of the seats and the carpet. I might as well clean this carpet while I'm at it. And then this plastic cover was completely covered in dirt. And just like always, every time we do this, you guys notice that we always clean under the seat. It's one of those things that you always want to do to make sure that your job ends up being as clean as possible. Ain't that right, Mick?
And it gets the smell out.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Any lingering odors are usually coming from these French fries and hamburger crumbs underneath the seat. There's a lot of them in here.
Oh yeah, but so far so good.
A little later.
So, what are you doing?
I'm taking the wheels off of the BMW 335i because we are going to paint the calipers using super wrap products.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I've never done that before.
I've never done it with super wrap, so this is going to be a first for me.
It's a nice shirt, Ricky.
Thanks, man. One of my favorite ones.
You like it a teal? All right, well, I'm hijacking the camera. While Ricky's doing the brake caliper painting on the 335, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the AccuAir CVT and E-level wiring system. So basically, we've got to plumb all of the air lines, and we have to plumb all of the height sensor lines that go to each corner of the car. While we get the car in the air and we've got some of the under trays off, I'm gonna go ahead and route all that now. We still don't have our air struts from UAS yet. They are custom making those for us at the moment. As soon as those are in, the idea is to have all the AccuAir stuff plumbed and in the car. That way when the struts come, we can just plug the struts in and then put the air lines to the struts and be on our way. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. It's sort of the easy part of the job. But since the car is only a couple feet off the ground, I'm gonna have to roll around on the ground a little bit. Not a big deal. The things I do for my boy Ricky.
Hey.
Trays down. We'll go ahead and clean those up because they are pretty filthy just from the years of being underneath the car. We're going to go ahead and route the air line and the front height sensors up to the front. We're going to use this bin back here above my head to house the CVT system. So all of our air lines and stuff are going to go in through here, and we'll plan how we're going to drill through and seal those up when that time comes. But I'm going to go ahead and get on these lines that go to the front.
While Mickey's wiring the 335i for the AccuAir system, I am going to take this nicely prepped calipers outside, and I'm going to start spraying them. This thing can focus. I'm going to start spraying them for the primary base coat. Alright guys, so this is going to be my first time actually using super wrap products on a caliper. So I'm anxious to see what it's going to do and how it's going to perform with the heat of the caliper. We already talked to the support group in super wrap, and they said that they hold up just fine, just like any other caliper paint product. So let's give this a try. Alright guys, now that this first coat is done, we're gonna wait 15 minutes and then we'll come back for a second layer.
15 minutes later.
The most important thing that I have always said about the super wrap product is the base coat. Since we're gonna be painting marinilla red, the base coat is white, which is gonna be the same color as my wheels on my RX-7. Now the white has to be perfect. This is gonna be the area that's gonna be shown. So my main concern is this and this part right here. That area has to be perfect. If it's not perfect, if there's black or darker spots showing, when you spray the red, the actual color of it, it will show. It's gonna be a different shade of red. So make sure that the main thing you have to do, make sure that everything that you want showing, or that everything that's gonna be showing, that is the base coat has to be completely flawless. All right guys, the first coat is done. I think I did about, I wanna say 6 or 7 layers of white paint. I'm gonna give it another 4 to 5 more layers of white. They recommend 10, and like I said, 15 minutes in between. As you can tell, the sun's already going down, so I'm gonna do the rest of the second layers of white for the base coat. Like I said, the base coat needs to be perfect. All right, guys, so now that the second coats are done, the next one is gonna be the marinilla red. And in between coats, after reading the instruction, it says that we have to wait 1 hour between the white and the red. Alright guys, just like before, very thin coat. This is going to be the actual color that we're going to be applying. And yeah, now we wait the 15 minutes. Come back in 15 minutes and do a thicker coat. And on the third coat, we should be able to cover about 90% of it. On the fourth coat, it should be completely covered on the actual color. And then we'll just keep applying and applying until we got like 10 coats in it. And then after that, we'll probably do tomorrow. We're running out of time. Tomorrow I'll do the last coat, which is going to be the clear coat.
Alright, it's the next day. I'm here with Mickey and we're just wrapping up the brake caliper wrapping, I guess you call it, with the super wrap. Ricky did an awesome job. They look really nice. It's a nice bright red. What does Ricky call it? Marinella? Marinello. I think it's Marinello red. Marinara? Well, either way, I think it's Marinello red. It's red, super red. And I think it's gonna look really nice behind the HRE flow forms. So we'll go ahead and set you guys down a little time lapse. What is it? Marinello.
Marinello red. Like the Ferrari, Marinello.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense now. Let's go ahead and set you guys down, get these wheels on, and bring the car outside and show you guys what it looks like.
We have the guys from Bodega Garage, and I'm saying that, and you guys never heard that name before, but it's actually the same guys from Grandmaster. Grandmaster Painter actually switched their name to Bodega Garage, and please explain to me why.
So we rebranded. It's a group of guys, Omnium Auto Styling, CW, Raps, myself, Grandmasters, and a few other additions as well.
All right, so I heard rap. So this means that multiple businesses got together and became one big one. It's pretty much what's going on.
Yeah, so we're basically trying to aim for the whole
one-stop shop. Yeah, I see that. Okay,
so,
cool.
I tried, I've been working with a few guys, and those two have caught my attention the most. So just trying to work with the best ones around, so we could provide a little bit of everything.
All right, so that means that right now they're a one-stop shop. You can get your car details through them. You can get your cars wrapped through them.
Powder coating.
Oh, you guys do powder coating too. So we're gonna put their Instagram down below. Please hit them up. They're local to San Diego, but they'll go anywhere. But I mean everywhere. I mean San Diego County. Don't get crazy. Don't start calling from New York and stuff. Okay. Anyways, so right now we have a car gathering. You can say that we're going on Sunday, which is Big Soul Call Euro, and the guys are prepping the car for the event. And yeah, I'll put you guys on the tripod so you guys can see it. Yo, you guys killed it, bro. This thing came out sick. Damn. So once again, this is a quick buff job that they did just because we have the show going out on Sunday. If you guys think this look good, you guys haven't seen anything yet. Just wait until the car comes back. We're gonna bag it, and then after that, they're gonna grab it and they're gonna have it a whole day, and they're gonna make this thing look better than they came out in the showroom. So thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll give you a high five across the board.
How you doing, man?
Once again, go to the Instagram. You need an appointment, hit them up for anything. Details, wraps, and like apparently powder coating too. Later, guys.
All right, guys, well, that's a wrap for today. The sound system is badass. We got it all installed. But we've got an Enon head unit on the way for the car. So we're gonna wait to do the reveal of the sound quality. We're pretty pumped with the way it's turned out, but we wanna put the actual head unit that's gonna be in there with it and show you guys that as a completed project. So as soon as we get that head unit, we'll get it installed and we'll let you guys hear the sound system. Thank you so much to Bimmertech and Kies Motorsports for helping us out with the audio system. Thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. Make sure you hit those notifications to make sure you get up-to-date notes when we put up our videos. And also thank you so much for the thumbs up in the comments. We'll see you guys next time.